I just thought I'd pop on and just show you the little kit that I've just put on up on Etsy. It's just a little ephemera kit that I'll be using to go with the mermaid journal. So yeah, because when I done the mermaid kit, I didn't really do loads of ephemera or anything, and of course I want ones to shrink down and everything. I have included a page with them small, so that's some sort of not normal size but fairly large. Yeah, those. Definitely got a thing about seahorses at the moment. There's that one there, and I just put these few elements in because I really like these. I could see that quite blown up in the centre of a signature would look quite nice, actually. And those, and that's done small. Yeah, but I still shrunk them down again in a minute, like that when I done 2 to a page. I've done that again, so I've got some really small ones that'd be great for postage stamps and things like that. So this is now 2 to a page. And then I've done 2 to a page of those as well. So these are great for your little mini dusters and things, which, you know, I like to make. So yeah, that's what I'll be using today, with some fabric sort of strips and things for Try It Tuesday. So I'll put the video up. This video I like to keep separate because I can put it, you know, on Etsy, if you know what I mean, and then it can go, people can actually see it. So, but thank you very much for watching, everybody, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.